And now for something completely different.
Completely different indeed. In the world of lighting, the Lamina 24-volt standard and high-output laminated LED sheet is not only different, but very easy to install. Now, before I show you what this light is capable of, you'll see it's much different unlit than lit. Lamina is available in two outputs, 5 watt per square foot standard output and 10 watt per square foot high output. These 8-inch by 16-inch sheets are also available in 2700K, 3000K, 3500K, and 4000K at 90 plus CRI. Lamina is closet rated and for indoor use only. You can cut Lamina with a straight edge or scissors, enabling unlimited graphic possibilities. Cut lines are clearly marked.
Good Lord!
Just connect Lamina to a 24-volt power supply. You can interconnect Lamina via these integral push-in connectors. Just push in and connect. Your design imagination will love what you can do with Lamina. To see Lamina and other imagination-inducing GM lighting products, visit our website at www.gmlighting.net. Thanks for watching.